Hello, awela ninya I no ni le pota sir pago no le pota sir pago ni ninya gute ni siweda lisoski ta kepu no akeweda good night Bible story no awe ninya phumuni ka phaweda le kalawa klo da ninya gute le pago nya klo no okho kana ko no ta kepu te yu ni mi weda no aweda sonno awe no sonno awe do kana ko no
Noah.
sonno a
Noah was an old man who had loved God of all his life.
Sano ani mi weda kusa paraga lawa e weda kusaya do ma do la da mu do so ni.
God came to Noah and said,
Awe you are heda la sano a over ni te weda.
I am sad because most of the people of the earth have become wicked.
Kusaya te ra sasta u do ma lo ba ni le weda pa hoko po sir pani no ada ki mi ra pa solo no.
I want to wash the earth clean and make it good again.
Kusaya te weda sa e do si so ku weda hoko di so hoko ki gira pa hoko po sir pa ki gira ki weda lo.
And God told Noah he had a special plan.
You are te weda we sano le aura ta re ta ke ka.
He asked Noah to build a huge boat called an ark.
Kusaya me weda sano le ke te weda klit be ka ba pa do be.
This boat had to be big enough to hold Noah and his family and many animals.
Khi bene ka ba phat do we da ka ba tro we da so no hi pho kho pho da hu da cha pho ko pho wa ga sir pha
Noah's friends laughed at him.
so no a so ko sir pha ne wa sin ni ba so no a
They thought he was crazy for building a big boat so far from the sea.
awe ni ba we da so no a wa te we da so no a me a da cha ba ha ku nu ma da ha ka ba ti da we da ka ba pha do be le a so si ji da po le ni
But Noah trusted God.
ba sa na ki ne so no a na we anak sa ya
He did what God asked of him without question.
awe ma we da ta ke le lo ka ye mi sa ya me ni ma da ke le te a te go si ko da no ni wa
Soon God came to Noah and again said,
di ji ba ba ni ka sa ya he ka do so no a o la te we da
I am sending 2 of every animal on earth to you.
awe ka sa ya de la sa ka chwe na cha pho ko pho sir pha le ke le do o
Load them all into the ark and gather food for them.
cha pho ko pho sir pha ni tu no le ko bo bu bo ni ni ko myo lyo li o ko thwe o
In a week it will begin to rain.
di nu ta pu ni ane mu khu sa da ju
The ark must be ready and you must be on it.
ko bo be ni ko ba ko te ko ra sa ko myo ko bo ni si ya ki si ba ko te ko ra sa si ko ba la pu
Noah and his family were amazed as the animals began to come to the ark.
awe sa no a hi phu ko pho do cha pho ko pho sir pha ni awe sir pha ko me ko ma do ma le ko wa da le ko bo bu
They were big elephants,
phe ni ni le ko bo bu ni o la ko cho pha do
tall giraffes,
ta tho ko la ko bo tho tho
tiny mice,
yu chi pho
ladybugs,
ta pho ka chi pho ko la ko la le de bus
and all of the animals in between.
hu da cha pho ko pho wa ga sir pha ke le
The rain began a week later.
Mane awe tinu pu kwa ni awe ta sa ta chu we da lo
It rained for 40 days and 40 nights.
mo ko chu we da ani lui chi da na lui chi
Noah and his family took care of the animals on the ark.
so no ada hi pu ko pu na we I thwa kwa thwe da cha pho ko pho sir pha ge do ma
While God protected all of them from the storm.
phe su to phe le mo ko chu pha do da cheu to phe ni ne ka sa ya I thwa kwa thwe ge do ma awe sir pha
After 40 days, the rain stopped and the sun came out.
apu kwe ani lui chi da na lui chi ba ni na we awe ta yo tho da ba ni mu ne phla tho we da
Noah sent a dove out to look for dry land.
lo so no ani cheu tho we da tho lui pho be le ke khi
But she returned when there was no dry land to be found.
awe tho pho be ni tho lui pho be ni yu ba he ki da ki lo da ki chi we da ho ko khi le ko cho lo we ba
A week later, Noah sent the dove out again.
tu ni bu kwe ba ni so no a cheu tho da ani tho lui sa lo
This time she returned with an olive leaf.
phe na cheu to ba ni no awe tho lui pho be ni he ki jo da da se la pho be
No one knew she had found dry land.
so no a se ya li tho lui be de ki jo se la li ba se nya ta lo khi tho to li
Soon the waters went down and the ark rested on top of a mountain.
di yi le ba ba ni ho ko khi phla tho we da do ani le ko se da ko ni ho ko
God painted a rainbow of colors across the sky.
တော့နေဖက်နေနေကဆာရဒီအိုထောဝဒါအလေတကွေတဘူ
He said, "This is my promise to you. I will never again cover this earth with water."
ကဆာရတေဝဒါဆနဝတကွေတဘူနိကမေဒါတပနော်လစီဟကမေတပနော်ဘခိုင်မေဒါခချုမယနေစာတလူဘလချီနော်ဘလဘာစာတပလချီလူဘခုနော်ဘလဘာ
Noah and his family came off the ark with all of the animals,
အဝဲဆနောအဒါဟိပိုခပိုဟဲကထောဒါလကဘဘူကဒါချပုကပုစီဖာ
singing and praising God for taking care of
အ
them.
ဝဲစေဆူစာချက်စီထပထရဆာရဒိုမလာဒါဤထကိုထွေော
The end.
မဖဲနေနေတော့အဝဲစေစာသမုတူပလေဝရလေမတိုင်ကနေကတေဝေးတာဖဲလောနော်
Bye bye.
Bye.